All right, guys, today we're going to be putting in this power pack for this exhaust right here. As you can see, the customer already has a replacement exhaust put in right now. This is a temporary solution to get this guy up and running. Yeah, all you gotta do is open this up, unscrew some stuff, rewire it all back together. It should be good as new. And I'll take you guys along with the process. All right, so as you can see, we got bolt nuts here, 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 and here. 4 of them. Let's take these out and go from there. Yeah, these 7/16. What needs to get out? Bottoms are a bit greasy, but that's about it. Yeah. Now I gotta come in here and disconnect the electrical, pull everything back. This thing should pull up pretty easy. Yeah, this spline tool right here, really helpful. So you can get in here, take off that part. You go in there, reach in, at least try. I'm failing right now. I'll be getting these tight spots. Help loosen this up. Just crank this out, take this out, and go up from there. All right, let's take this off. Somehow, some way. First, we gotta take these pins out. Put these back in a few. There's ones on both sides over here as well. Pop these pins out. Come here, Here, I'll show you the pins real quick while I'm doing this. There they are. These out. All right. Here we go. Pop this out. Take it out. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. The same orientation. All right. So, let's get the rest put back on real quick. All right, it's all in place. Let's get the screws back in, secure it all down. Make sure you round your stuff out. And bring the power back in. Oh, that's great. Come on, get on there. I'm gonna have so much fun editing all this out. We're just sitting here trying to screw on this damn piece. There you go. Let's ground the grounds. It's important. Got 2 little screws in here for it. We got one at a time. Next one. All right, it's done. Let's wire nut everything together. Oh, we're adding something different. I'm going to use these connectors. So in case we have disconnect stuff, we can disconnect them real quick. Dig deep. That's with your knees, not your back. All right, as I was saying before, I lost my microphone in the other exhaust. These things are all on hinges and everything. Now let's attach everything back up. Hopefully I'll get lucky and I'll find the screws for everything. Okay, these things will have cables on one side, keep it from overextending, and then bolts on the other side for you to open it. All right. I thought they asked where the other tech left the bolts for the hinges. Might have been their maintenance guy. Don't know. All right. Found the screws for this. All right. Just put back in. Let me show you guys something. All right, when you're installing these power packs, they do have these speed controllers on them like this. You want to set yours to 80 or 8. That's percentage. When you set up these variable speed motors, you'd only do 80%. You don't do it balls to the wall 100%. 80%. That's what the manufacturer says to do. Yeah, 80%. That's it. No more, no less. Let's get this thing started and test amp draws. So these things do take a minute to start up. It's not automatic. Let's give it a second and start spinning. Make sure when you're doing this also put the breaker information on there. Panel and breaker so you know how to turn this thing off down below. Let's keep an eye on that amp meter down the bottom right. All right, we are running at 4.64 amps. We see that according to the motor, 15 volt, highest we get is 6.4 amps. So we are under amps, everything's working fine. Yeah, let's button this up and get out of here. That was a pretty easy job. Got in and out pretty quickly. All we had to do was install that power pack for that old greenheck exhaust. But yeah, you just got to take them out, put them back in, bolt everything down, wire it up. It's good to go. But the biggest thing is you set it to 8, nothing higher. That's 80% speed. You should not be putting it at 100% speed. It just kills these motors. But manufacturer says, set it to 8. No ifs, ands, or buts. Set it to 8. Even if you have another kind of variable frequency drive, that kind of stuff, set it to 80%. So it does not running as hard as it possibly can. But everything was good. Amp draw was great. Air was moving good. Be careful messing with the switches that's on the outside. These switches are a bit finicky, so if EMS has any sense of a voltage drop, the thing just shuts off. So it takes a bit to reset everything. It's just to protect the motor from voltage surges, that kind of stuff. Be careful when you're flipping switches. But yeah, other than that, that's it. This is a quick and easy job. I just want to show you guys how to do it because this is my first time actually doing it. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. I'm going to head to my next jobs. So I'll see you next time, guys.